Assalamualaikum and good evening to Sir Amzari. Today our group will do a presentation to complete the group assignment entrusted by our lecturer Sir Amzari related to web applications. Before that, we will introduce first our group members, namely the first is myself, Muhammad Ehsan bin Izzuddin Shah, and the second one is Nur Sabrina binti Jeffrey. The web application we have selected is related to gasing. The presentation that we will do shortly will cover all topics related to criteria such as features, security, database design, and implementation and user interface. The first is about features. The objective of the web application we have produced is so that researchers, the media, university students, and anybody who has registered as a user to have access to it easy to get all information related to gasing. The second objective is we in the hope of making this small contribution in an attempt to ensure that future generations are aware of the nature of this still famous traditional game. And the last objective is our system also offers excellent data protection at all stages of user system interaction and also provides comprehensive and secure storage and backup facilities. Next, we will show and talk about security. We will show the security that we have built based on the criteria given, which is login. These functions will log in a user based on a username and password being matched in a MySQL database. A login is a set of credentials used to authenticate a user. Most often, this consists of a username and password. However, a login may include other information, such as a PIN number, passcode, or passphrase. Some logins require a biometric identifier, such as a fingerprint or retina scan. Logins are used by websites, computer applications, and mobile apps. They are a security measure designed to prevent unauthorized access to confidential data. When a login fails, which means the username and password combination does not match a user account, the user is disallowed access. Many systems block users from even trying to log in after multiple failed login attempts. And the same thing happens near our system. Now we will demonstrate on what need to do by the new user, and I will be the new user representative to show you what to do. First of all, for new users, they need to click don't have an account at the bottom of this. Then they will be taken to the sign up space that we have provided. And users who want to sign up to browse to our website, the information users needed to supply to the administrator are the user first name, user last name, user email, unique username that users want to use, and their unique password. So I will show you how to do through the website. Before that, for your information, in the instruction given to us also mention about session implemented, password encrypted, and secure pages are not accessible without credentials. To encrypt the user's password, we apply secure hash algorithm 1, or we call it as SHA-1, as the cryptography in order for the password to be encrypted, whether it is in the MySQL database or the website that I use. So now I will fill it in all the information as requested in the box provided. So for the first name, I will choose Nasrul, for example, and the last name is Aiman. And for the email, I will write Nasrul Aiman 03 gmail.com, and the unique username is Aiman Nasrul, and the unique password is Simon role. After filling in all the information, press the sign up button and you will see the notes will appear, which is success, new record created successfully. And you click on this icon user, click on the login, and it will bring back to the login form. So now I will type my email and password, same as what I typed in the sign up form before, which is for the email I write Nasrul Aiman. Password is I fill the email and password, click the login button.
Okay, now I will explain about the user interface that we have prepared or not we have used for our website. So for the user interface, as you can see, we actually uses the Bootstrap 4 and some CSS and JavaScript to ensure that the design of our website to be like this. Although it looks simple, but it is not too difficult for the user to understand on how to use our website. So on the left side of my screen, we have a navigation bar, which is the site navigation bar. So for the first navigation bar, there is for the user management, which consists of list of user and add user. Second is the casing management, which consists of list of casing and add casing. And lastly, for the management information, consists of about us. So other than that, on the top right side of the screen, you can see there is an icon which is consists of setting, activity, log, and logout. So if you want to log out from this page, you can click on this button. And then when you scroll to the bottom, you can see that there are a button in a red color which is stated top. So if you click on this button, it will redirect you to the top of the pages so that the user don't have to scroll using the scroll bar to go to the upper part of the website. Next, I will pass to Ehsan to explain about the first navigation, which is the user management.
For the user management, there are two subtopics which are list of user and add user. Firstly, list of user. In the list of user, there are data table user consists of user ID, first name, last name, username, and action. For the action, there are three types of button, which are view, edit, and delete. So the view button function is to view all the detail, and if user want to edit the data, they can click the edit button and edit and save. And the last one is the delete. If they want to delete the data, they can click this button. And for the example, like this, click on the delete button and the record deleted successfully. Then click OK and refresh the page. And for the show 10 entries, if enough 10, it will become 2 pages. Next subtopic is add user, and the function is same like how to sign up new user as I showed before. So now I give to Sabrina to continue the presentation.
Okay, now I will explain about the casing management and also the management information. So for the casing management, there consists of list of casing and add casing. So for the first one is list of gasing. So if the user click on the list of gasing, it will be redirected to the display gasing pages, which the user will, which a data table regarding gasing information have been provided by us for overview. So there are gasing ID column, gasing type column, title column, date column, type column, and also the action column. So for the action column, there are three different buttons, just as what Ehsan shared just now. For the first button, which is the view button, if we click on the view button, the user can view details regarding about that certain topic that they have chosen. So for example, I've chosen the gasing ID number 1. So the details about gasing ID number 1 will be shown on the screen. For example, about the gasing type is gasing traditional, the title is cara main gasing mainan 90-an, and the type of gasing is YouTube. So if the user wanted to watch the video itself through our website, they can just click on this button, click on the play button, and then the video will be played from our website. Or let's say you don't want to watch from our website, you can either click on this button, which will be redirected to the YouTube pages, or you can just click on the URL button, which you have the one that you have copied when you sign up, or you add the information. If you click on this top button, you will be redirected back to the top of the pages. So the second button, which is the edit button. So the edit button are used to edit the information about topics, no, certain ID that you have chosen. So for example, I've chosen edit gasing ID for number 2, which is consists about how to play gasing. So for example, I want to change the date of the the content that they have posted to 26th of August 2015. Save. You can view on again. So you can see that the date have changed from 26th of August to from 25th August to 26th August. So that is for the edit button. So next is the delete button. So if you click on the delete button, as what Ehsan has shown just now, you can see that the information regarding about the topic will be deleted either from our website and from our database. So for example, if I want to delete, I will try to delete this one on delete button. So it will appear a notice that the record has successfully deleted. Click OK. Click on the refresh page, and then you will be redirected to the pages. And then you can see that the topic about the topic that you have deleted just now have successfully deleted. Okay, next I will explain about the add gasing function. So if the user click on the add gasing, it will be redirected to this page, which is the new content forecasting. So if the user wanted to insert a new input regarding a certain topic or any information that is related with the gasing team, they can insert in the add gasing. So for example, I found one YouTube video regarding gasing Lepe Terengganu. So I want to insert in our database, in our website, sorry. So the type of gasing, just now that we see it is gasing lepe. So I will type gasing lepe. So for the title, you can just copy paste here, gasing lepe Terengganu, and insert it into the title column. For the date posted, you can see that it is posted on the 3rd February 2020. So here, okay, once you have that, and the origin is from Terengganu. Next is posted by. So the owner of the YouTube video is Discovery Terengganu. Copy that and paste on this box. Meanwhile, for the URL, you can just take from the equal symbol to the end. You don't have to copy all. And insert into the box. So the type of content just now we choose is YouTube. So click on YouTube and click save. A notice will appear once you have successfully created the record, which is success, record successfully created. Then you can see from list of casing. There, number 24, casing lepe Terengganu. So it has appear on the website. So that means you have successfully created the record. Next, I will explain about the management information. So for the management information, it's just a simple information regarding the behind the scene team, which is me myself and Ehsan Izzuddin. So that's all from me. Thank you. So that's all from us for our presentation regarding gasing Malaysia. I hope that our website can be beneficial for the users out there if they want to search for information about gasing or anything that related with gasing easily without the need to actually use the Google or other platforms to actually gather the information. Thank you for now. Assalamualaikum.